Hey guys, I am Muhammad Zaid. Welcome to my channel Android Phones Collection. Today we are going to unbox a Chinese budget smartphone OPPO A1k. So let's start to unbox. Here is the box. Some specs are mentioned. Bottom of box. Name OPPO A1k 6.1-inch HD plus water drop screen, 4000 mAh battery, 32 GB ROM, color operating system 6, 2 GB RAM. So let's start to unbox. Let's see what inside the box. Important information guidebooks, quick guidebook, transparent silicone cover, it's beautiful. Here is the smartphone. A USB cable or charging cable. A charger. With a smartphone. And at the back, a single camera with LED flashlight and OPPO brand logo. There is the power button. This is the volume, up down, and SIM tray. At the bottom side, is speaker. USB charging port, mic, and audio jack. Let's start the phone. So guys, this is the physical review of OPPO A1k. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel